Hello, how are you doing? It's FS Logic here again, and we're about to unpack or analyze GBP USD. Yeah, I've been gone for a while. Just had to recharge, get my energy right. Little vacation, if you want to call it that. So we're back, and it's the same thing, GBP USD. Okay, market structure. Understanding the market structure, knowing who is in charge, buyers or sellers. Once we can identify who is in charge, buyers or sellers, then the market is ours. We can always make those good trades and hit our targets. Very few minimal losses and very good ways. We take our path. As you can see, we take the high, the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then lower low. So as you can see, the monthly time frame is down. So we take a rectangle and take the lower high. All right, place that good. Then set the right. Then we take our lower low. All right, we mark it, and you can see the detail. You can see that we have a lower high. All right, you can see we have a lower high here. So for the 3 months, low high, lower low, lower high, then lower low. So a 3 months time frame when a downtrend, okay? When a downtrend clear. So I want to look at the monthly time frame right now. So the monthly time frame, as you can see, we are okay. Let's take this out. Let's take it out. No, light it here. Remove. Okay, so I want to analyze down here right now. So take a path, high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, okay, lower high, then lower low, then possible, okay, let's just leave it here, all right, okay, lower high, okay, lower high, we have a lower high, all right, so we take this out, so we check, we place this right, so right now we can see that on the monthly time frame, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower lows. You can see that it's established that we're on a downtrend, very clean downtrend. So we take our level on the monthly time frame, we take our previous lower high, yeah, then our lower low, the previous. We can't take this other lower high because price has not, so you know that. So until this high is taken out, we're still in a downtrend overall. Yeah, all of this movement is downtrend because this is the box. Everything in this box is downtrend until this high is taken out. Okay, so this is clean monthly time frame downtrend. So check the weekly time frame. So for the weekly, you can see something, right? Let's take our path, low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then lower high because it's not taking out this high. But that's not really important right now. So we can see that we have an uptrend on the weekly time frame. Okay, we have an uptrend on the weekly time frame. Okay, so you can see this high has not been taken out yet. Okay, so we take a rectangle. Okay, we stretch it out, indicating a market structure on the weekly time frame. I think we should change the color. Let's see something like red. Okay, middle line, red. Let's make it red. Okay, or explode or whatever. So we take the higher low, the market will draw it out. Okay, so here we'll go established uptrend, as you can see, very clear. When I'm uptrend on the weekly time frame, okay, no mistakes. Yeah, everything is clear here. So the next thing we'll go to our daily time frame. Okay, so let's see what's currently happening. Let's take this out, remove. Okay, so we'll take a path. So now we'll draw low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then higher low, then a higher high. You can see that, right? Then somewhat of a lower low, lower high, lower low. Then I think we should zoom that out. Let's zoom this area out and just see what's happening here. Yeah, so there's a lot of detail here. So let's look at it clear right now. High, higher high, higher low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, then higher high, higher low, then higher high, higher low. You see that low is still higher than the previous one. Okay, higher high, higher low, yes, then lower high, then lower low. Then we still have price going all the way up. But let's take our levels. Let's draw a structure level on the daily and see what's good. So we've drawn this now. We need to draw for the bottom. Okay, let's remove that and change the color to green is good, light green. Okay, so we can identify our daily structure separately. Alright, so we take it, so we have a higher low. Right, so you could see now price is still in the bullish area, so buyers are still in charge of this market right now because the higher low is not be taken out. All right, it's not be taken out all the way down here, so this is still an uptrend because price is still trading within the box. All right, so previous higher high, higher low, so higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, so price is still within the box here until price breaks this higher low and comes down. We're still in an uptrend, so buyers are in charge, so you have no business selling. All right, so something is actually going to happen here while we are hoping or seeing that this is a bullish market. Okay, let's zoom out. We could still, let's take a pause. We could still see something happen like this. Price could still go all the way up by making higher highs. Okay, higher lows, higher highs. Yeah, we test, then boop, this could happen. All right, this could actually happen. I'm expecting this to happen, okay, because I'm buying GBP right? But at the same time too, we could also have this. You understand? But I'm currently on the buys because we're an uptrend, but this is a possibility that could happen when the market opens in a few hours. Do you understand? So this could also happen. So that's what it is. Okay, either up or down. So this is my time here. If you've made it up to this video, please like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that whenever I make this kind of videos, you can always get updated. Okay, that's my time here. FX Logic. So have a nice one. Yeah, until the next one.